Nintendo Switch 3.0 or higher, iOS 16.3 or higher, or Android 9.0 or higher. Now it comes to the controller, the USB-C charging cable, or if you want to wire it directly, a 2.4 GHz receiver, the instruction manual, and then the charging dock. Also underneath here, you can store the receiver in here if you wanted to. Now one of the many things that makes this competition grade, firstly is the thumbsticks. These aren't standard thumbsticks, they're not Hall effect thumbsticks. These are actually TMR thumbsticks, making it the most advanced to date. So basically, they're 10 times better than Hall effect thumbsticks, both in sensitivity and response time. These will start at 1000 Hz polling rate. The buttons, I don't know if you can hear this, but they're actually micro switches. The D-pad, also micro switches. That'll give you the fastest response time. The triggers, Hall effect. Once you put on the trigger stops, micro switches. So very much like a gaming keyboard, like a mechanical gaming keyboard, you'll get the fastest response time with these buttons. On top of everything else, this looks really cool. It has a good feel to it. All the buttons are exactly where you want them to be. You can change the coloring effect. You hold M, R3. As for connecting, it's extremely simple. If you put the switch to the far left side, it's a Nintendo Switch. Then you hold the home button for 3 seconds. Bluetooth's in the middle. Hold the home button for 3 seconds. For the wireless receiver, far right, home button for 3 seconds. It connected right away. I had no disconnect, no lag. I had no issues whatsoever. I highly recommend this controller. It is an excellent quality controller with some of the most advanced features built in. I hope this review helps you, and thank you for watching.
Alright, so I've been using the EasySMX controller, the D10 controller, I guess is what it is, for a little bit on my computer. So I like having the controller, but I generally play on my computer. So having something that is this versatile was really quite handy. The ability to switch modes on the back here, I can switch between the Bluetooth, the control stick, and just with the flip of the button. You can also make changes to the sensitivity of the controllers, which I think is really cool. The LED RGB lighting is a nice addition. Certainly not a need, but it's pretty fun and looks neat. And then the haptic motors in it for feedback work really well. Sometimes it's maybe a little bit much, but it's still pretty fun. And the controller itself has a nice weight to it. I know some of them feel like, cheap plastic, whatever. It is, obviously still a plastic product, but the plastic and the overall weight makes it feel substantial. It sits nicely in the hand, which I think is great. And yeah, just overall been a really nice controller to use. And then with the USB-C charging dock, it's even better. So you can just throw it on the charging dock and away you go. And you can see here it does have a port for the USB dongle. So you can plug the USB dongle into here and then USB-C back to your PC or to your console if it's supported. So yeah, definitely if you're looking for an aftermarket controller that rivals the big name controllers in performance, but gives you more versatility and more features, I definitely think you should check out the EasySMX and specifically the D10. Awesome, thanks.
En la vida hay que tomar buenas decisiones. Aquí va una.
Vente ya con fibra, 2 líneas móviles y televisión, con Netflix y Max o Disney Plus, todo por 39 euros. Llama ya al 1444.
Uy.